Study the given pattern carefully and select the number that can replace the question mark in it. Here the logic is like, let's take the first column. It's 9 into 5 into 3, which is 135, and second column 5 into 7 into 4, which is 140. In the same way, third column is like 5 into x into 5, that is equal to 150. That implies x is equal to 150 by 25, which is equal to 6. So option 1 is correct. Let's simplify using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS means B is brackets in order, O means of, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. Let's simplify the given question. (6.25) plus 5 by 7 into 28 minus 5 divided by 3 by 4 into 15.8 minus 3.4 plus 5 into 2.39, which implies 7 and here 6.25 plus 5 into 4 minus 5 divided by 3 by 4 into 12.4 plus 11.95, which implies 6.25 plus 20 minus 5 divided by 3 into 3.1 plus 11.95, which further implies 21.25 divided by 21.25, which is equal to 1. So option 2 is correct. What is the code name of India's first successful nuclear test? It's Smiling Buddha. It was conducted on May 18th, 1974. The first successful nuclear test is named as Smiling Buddha, and second one is Operation Shakti. In 1998. So after first test in 1974, second one is conducted on 1998, and third one is Operation Vijay. Whom did Mahatma Gandhi consider his mentor in politics? It is Gopala Krishna Gokhale, option number 1. Mahatma Gandhi considers him as his mentor in politics. He was the senior leader of the Indian National Congress and founder of Servants of Indian Society. He is also known as political guru of Gandhi. Senior Indian National Congress leader and also founder of Servants of Indian Society. Which is the longest railway line in the world? It's Trans-Siberian Railway. It connects Moscow with Russia and it covers 9,259 kilometers or 5,753 miles. So the longest railway line in the world is Trans-Siberian Railway, which connects Moscow with Russia. Litmus solution is derived from lichen. Lichen is used to determine whether the solution is neutral or acidic or basic. So lichen is used for determining the solution. And lichens are plants that belong to Talophyta group. The region where farmers specialize in vegetables only. This type of farming is known as truck farming. Vegetable farms in some regions also known as truck farms. Which of the following state has the highest wind energy production in India? Tamil Nadu. Which city has bagged the second spot in the Swachh Sarvekshan Award for 2020? It's Surat. Select the Venn diagram that best represents the relation between the given set of classes: students, interns, and research scholars. It is like some students are interns and some interns are research scholars and some research scholars are students. So option 3 is correct. Study the given pattern carefully and select the number that can replace the question mark in it. Let's take the first figure. The logic is like 40 plus 12 minus 30 which is equal to 22. And second one is like 34 plus 16 minus 40 which is equal to 10. In the same way, third one is like 28 plus 20 minus 43 which is equal to 48 minus 43 that is equal to 5. So option 1 is correct. 3 power 71 plus 3 power 72 plus 3 power 73 plus 3 power 74 plus 3 power 75 is divisible by. The series is in the form of a power n plus a power n plus 1 which is equal to a power n into 1 plus a. Let's simplify the given question. 3 power 71 into 1 plus 3 square plus 3 cube plus 3 power 4 which is equal to 3 power 71 into 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27 plus 81 which implies 3 power 71 into 121. 121 can be written as 11 into 11 because 11 into 11 is 121. The expression has 11 as the factor, so it is divisible by 11. Because we know that as the divisibility rule of 11 states that when it has a multiple of 11, the whole equation or her whole number will be divided by 11. So option 2 is correct. Study the given pattern carefully and select the number that can replace the question mark in it. Let's take the first column. It is like 4 into 9 plus 8 which is equal to 36 plus 8 that is 44. And the second column is like 3 into 7 plus 6 which is equal to 27. And the third column is like 8 into 2 plus 4 which is equal to 16 plus 4 that is equal to 20. So option 1 is correct. The full form of BHEL is Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. Established in 1964 and it is the largest and oldest power generation equipment manufacturer in India. In 1964, it is Heavy Electricals Limited and in 1974 merged with BHEL. Simplify 17 into 8 minus 6 plus whole braces 27 minus 3 divided by 6 minus 4. Let's solve the equation using Bodmer's rule. Bodmer's means B means brackets, O means half, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition and S means subtraction. Let's simplify this. 17 into 8 minus 6 plus 27 minus 3 divided by 6 minus 4 which implies 136 minus 6 plus 24 divided by 6 minus 4. 130 plus 4 minus 4, which implies 130 plus 0, that is 130 is the final answer. So option 1 is correct. Let the right angle triangle be ABC here. Here hypotenuse is given as 26 centimeters and perimeter is equal to 60 centimeters. We know that perimeter is A plus B plus C is equal to 60. Here C is 26 and A plus B becomes 60 minus 26, which is equal to 34. And according to right angle triangle Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, which implies AB square plus BC square is equal to 26 square. Let it be A square plus B square, that is equal to 26 square. Let it be equation 2 and this is equation 1. Equation 1 whole square implies A plus B whole square is equal to 34, which is A square plus B square plus 2AB, that is equal to 34. We know that A square plus B square is equal to 26 square plus 2AB, that is equal to 34. That implies 2AB is equal to 1156 minus 676. Then AB is equal to 240. Let it be equation 3. From this, we can find the area of a triangle, which is equal to 1 by 2 into AB, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 240, that is equal to 120. So, option 4 is correct. If A square plus B square is equal to 82 and AB is equal to 9, then find the value of A cube plus B cube. We know that A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Then we know that A square plus B square is equal to 82 and AB value is 9, which implies A plus B is equal to square root of 100, which is equal to 10. Let it be equation 1. Let's apply cube for equation 1. So A plus B whole cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. That implies, we know that A plus B is equal to 10. So 10 cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3 into AB value, we know it is 9 and A plus B value it is 10. So let's simplify this. 10 cube is 1000 and A cube plus B cube we have to find, and 3 into 9 into 10 is equal to 270. So A cube plus B cube is equal to 1000 minus 270, which is equal to 730. So option 3 is correct. can also be solved using simple formula, which is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So a plus b value is 10 into a square plus b square value, it is 82 and ab value 9. Then 10 into 73, that is equal to 730. Where was the first oil well discovered in Assam? It is in Digboi. Crude oil in 1866. Digboi is also known as Oil City of Assam. Select the pattern that will come next in the following series: CKV, DLW, EMX and question mark. Observe the series carefully. CKV, DLW and EMX. C to D is plus 1, D to E is plus 1. Similarly, K to L is plus 1, L to M is plus 1. In the same way, V to W is plus 1, W to X is plus 1. So the series will be like E plus 1, which is F, M plus 1, which is N, and X plus 1, which is Y. So the answer is F and Y, which is option number 1. Who is considered the father of computers? Charles Babbage. He invented the machine called analytical engine, which is model of today's computers. Since he is the first person who gave the basic idea of computers, he is known as the father of computers. If A is equal to 1, M is equal to 13, R is equal to 18, then how would you spell mission? MISSION. Here M is 13, according to the question, A is 1, M is 13, R is 18. It means they have given the position values of alphabets. So I is 9, S is 19 and O is 15 and N is 14. So the answer is 1391919915114, which is option number 3. What is the momentum of an object having mass of 14 kg and velocity 28 meters per second? We know that momentum P is equal to m into v. So momentum is equal to mass into velocity. So P is equal to 14 into 28, which is equal to 392 kg meters per second. So option 4 is correct. Momentum is vector quantity. It has both magnitude and direction. A man bought 2 articles for 3000 rupees each. He sold one article at 10% profit and another at 5% profit. Find the total percentage profit he earned. By average method, both articles are equal. So, profit earned is equal to profit 1 plus profit 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 10% plus 5% divided by 2, which is 15% divided by 2, that is 7.5%, which is option number 3. So when both the cost price of articles are equal, then we can use this formula as profit earned is equal to profit 1 plus profit 2 divided by 2. Simplify the following equation. Let's simplify this using BODMAS rule. (46) plus 3 by 4 into 32 minus 6 divided by 37 minus 3 by 4 into 34 minus 6, which implies 46 plus 24 minus 6 divided by 37 minus 3 by 4 into 28. That implies 46 plus 24 minus 6 divided by 37 minus 21. After solving, it becomes 64 divided by 16, which is equal to 4. So, option 3 is correct. Select the option that is related to the third term in the same way as the second term is related to first term. Here, BILR is equal to EFOO. The pattern is like B plus 3 is E and I plus F is minus 3. Similarly, L plus O is plus 3 and R plus O is minus 3. Similarly, CJPT will be like C plus 3 which is F, J minus 3 which is G, P plus 3 which is S and T minus 3 which is Q. So the final answer is FGSQ, which is option 1. In a code language, if Karan is written as 45, then how will Arun be written in the same language? KARAN. Let's write the position values of the alphabets. K is 11, A is 1, R is 18, A is 1 and N is 14. Let's add this 11 plus 1 plus 18 plus 1 plus 14, which is equal to 45. Similarly, Arun, ARUN can be written as A is 1, R is 18, U is 21 and N is 14. Let's add these numbers 1 plus 18 plus 21 plus 14, which is equal to 54. So option 2 is correct. Which sector is the biggest emitter of greenhouse gases? Energy sector. The primary gases are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide and ozone. The energy sector is largest contributor of greenhouse gases and it accounts for 2/3 of total emissions. And next one is agriculture, which is 20% of the greenhouse gases emission. Select the number that will come next in the following series. 2, 7, 14, 23 and question mark. Logic is like 2 plus 5 is 7 and 7 plus 7 is 14 and 14 plus 9 is 23. In the same way, it is increased by plus 2, it is increased by plus 2 and 9 plus 2 is 11. So 23 plus 11 is 34. So option 2 is correct. If A is taller than B and B is taller than C and D is shorter than B but taller than C, then D is A is taller than B and B is taller than C, but D is shorter than B but taller than C. From 1 and 2, we can write that as A greater than B greater than D greater than C. So D is taller than C. Option 4 is correct. Study the given diagram and answer the following questions. A, B, C are different cities and the given data is of number of accidents that took place in the respective years 2000, 2005, 2010 and 2015. Which city has the highest number of accidents on average? In city A, the average of accidents is when taking all the years 400 plus 600 plus 500 plus 550 divided by 4, which is 2050 divided by 4, that is 512.5. And city B is 600 plus 550 plus 350 plus 300 divided by 4, which is 1800 divided by 4, that is 450. And city C is 450 plus 550 plus 650 plus 450 divided by 4, which is 2100 divided by 4, that is 525. By following the A, B, C cities, we can easily say that option C has highest number of accidents. So option 2 is correct. Select the Venn diagram that best represents the relation between the given set of classes. Short women, white-haired people and Indians. Some short women may be white-haired people and some white-haired people may be Indians and some Indians may be short women. So the answer is option number 3. A question is given followed by 2 arguments. Decide which of the arguments are strong with respect to question. The question is, should elections be conducted for student unions in educational institutions? And the arguments are, argument 1 is, Yes, it is important to conduct elections so that the rights and complaints of the students can be heard by authorities, which is strong. And argument 2 is given as no, it disrupts the educational environment and leads to chaos and violence in institutes, which does not solve any problems but creates more issues, which is also strong. So both the arguments will follow. So option 2 is correct. In a code language, if Raman is written as 47, then how will Arjun be written in the same language? We know that R value is 18, A value is 1, M is 13, A is 1 and N is 14. Let's add 18 plus 1 plus 13 plus 1 plus 14, which is 47. And in the same way, Arjun can be written as A is 1, R is 18, J is 10, U is 21 and N is 14, which is equal to 64. So option 4 is correct. Reading the English alphabets from left to right, what is 5th letter to the right of the 14th letter? We know that 14th letter is N. So 5th letter to the N is N plus 5, that is equal to S. So option 1 is correct. In a code language, if forward is written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 6 and water is written as 4, 5, 7, 8, 3, then how will retort be written in the same language? Here, forward is written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 6 and water is written as 4, 5, 7, 8, 3. So, similarly, retort can be written as R is 3, E is 8, T is 7, A is 5, R is 3 and D is 6. So the answer is 387536, option number 2. In a code language, if last is written as 1, 2, 3, 4 and book is written as 5, 6, 6, 7, then how will toast be written in the same language? Here, last is written as 1, 2, 3, 4 and book is written as 5, 6, 6, 7. Similarly, toast can be written as T is 4, O is 6, A is 2, S is 3 and D is 4. So the answer is 4, 6, 2, 3, 4. Option number 2. Select the number that will come next in the following series: 9, 81, 6561 and question mark. The logic is like 9 into 9 is 81 and 81 into 81 is 6561. Similarly, 6561 into 6561, which is equal to 43046721, option number 3. How many 3s are there in the given series that are followed by 9 and preceded by 8? The given series is like this. Here 3 is followed by 9 and preceded by 8. And here 3 is followed by 9 and preceded by 8. And here 3 is followed by 9 and preceded by 8. So totally 3 3s are in the given series that are followed by 9 and preceded by 8. So option 2 is correct. Select the number from among the given options that will come next in the following series. 3, 27, 243 and question mark. The logic is like 3 into 9 is 27 and 27 into 9 is 243 and 243 into 9 is 2187, which is option number 2. So 243 into 9 is 2187. If the southeast direction moves 2 places and becomes northeast and northwest moves 2 places to become southwest, what should be the direction that west would become, assuming all other given directions make similar movements? Let's draw the directions. We know that it is north, south, east and west, and it is northeast, this is southeast, and this is northwest, and this is southwest. According to the question, southeast direction moves 2 places and becomes northeast. So, southeast becomes northeast and northwest moves to southwest. It is here. It is in clockwise direction. So it is in anti-clockwise direction, and similarly it is also in anti-clockwise direction. In the same way, what would be the direction that west would become, assuming all other directions that make similar movements? So west, after moving 2 places, it becomes south in anti-clockwise. So west becomes south, which is option 1. Select the option that is related to the third term in the same way as the second term is related to the first term. Here, hand is related to thumb in the same way pen is related to nib. Thumb is the initial part that is attached to human hand. In the same way, a nib is initial part of a pen through which we can write. So, pen is related to nib, which is option 2. After starting from a point, Naveen walks 3 kilometers towards the east. Then turning to his left, he moves 3 kilometers. After this, he again turns his left and moves 4 kilometers. In which direction is he standing from the starting point? Let's draw the directions first. North, south, east, west. According to the question, Naveen walks 3 kilometers towards the east. Let it be A and this is B. Then, turning to his left, he moves 3 kilometers. Let it be C. And again, he turns his left and moves 4 kilometers. Let it be point D. Now, in which direction is he standing from the starting point? It is northwest, which is option number 4. So, seeing from the starting point, he is in northwest direction.